A Chatham woman is going to have to go to court to fight for $3 million. She was the common law spouse of Maurice Thibeault, who hit it big and then dumped his girlfriend. The last time we told you about this story, the entire jackpot, $6.1 million, was in dispute. Well, now the OLG is set to pay out half that amount to Thibeault at the end of this month. Bob Belichico spoke with the woman's lawyer, and he joins us now with more on this very unusual lottery story.
Ooh, it's a good one for debate, that's for sure, Michelle. Now, Steve Pickard is the lawyer representing Denise Robertson, Thibeault's ex-girlfriend. Now, the process to argue that Robertson deserves her big payday is going to be a long one, according to him. I spoke with today's lunchtime crowd downtown, and the support for Robertson is great, and her claim to the $6 million jackpot.
They're buying the tickets together, that's for both of them.
He owes her something.
I know, right?
A breakup?
Something.
What is that?
Denise Robertson claims her former common-law husband, Maurice Thibeault, broke up with her and 5 days later tried to claim a $6.1 million lottery prize.
They've always purchased tickets together, and they've always shared the winnings, and that was always their understanding.
That was at the end of September, after Thibeault had the winning ticket for the September 20th Lotto 649 draw. Robertson's lawyer, Steve Pickard, argues his client deserves half the jackpot.
Once you buy a ticket and discover that you've won a large amount of money, you can't all of a sudden say, no, I'm going to keep that. It's very similar to office pools or a partnership or a joint venture.
The OLG has sent a letter to Robertson and her lawyer stating it will pay Thibeault his half of the winnings, just over $3 million before the end of the month. The other half of the prize remains in dispute and will be up to the court to decide, or the parties can resolve the matter privately. If not, they can go to the Alcohol and Gaming Commission's lottery dispute arbitration process.
We can start a statement of claim, which would commence a lawsuit, and that's probably the most likely step from here. And they'll have the opportunity to respond, and then we'll take it before a judge or a jury to decide whether she is entitled or not.
According to Pickard, the couple lived together for 2 years before Thibeault moved out. The dispute has many people talking about the issue.
Yeah, you get what you deserve. You're going to be sneaky about it. Like, why are you being so sketch?
Yeah.
I mean, that's just my opinion. I don't know. I'd want half the money.
I could see if they weren't living together, you might want to, take it to court, but I feel, 50-50 is the way to go in this situation.
I think $3 million each and just say goodbye. So it's like, end it there. He's got $3 million in the bank. Go your separate ways.
Now, a lot of people on social media think it's sketch and are in support of Robertson for sure. You can check out our Facebook page. One comment pointing to court time and lawyer fees being wasted, all in the name of greed, Michelle.
I know I shouldn't give my opinion, but I kind of agree with her too, because if it went the other way and they had to, pay for a TV that they didn't keep up with payments, she'd be on the hook for half of that. Yeah. So it cuts two ways.
Well, and they lived together for 2 years or and change, and yeah, I mean, if you're together and you share the tickets and you're buying them together, it doesn't matter who bought them and when you bought them. The point is you're together as a team, and to dump her right after, I don't know, man. Like,
it's an
catch me on a Saturday night and I'll tell you what I really think.
Thanks so much, Bob. Bob Belichico tonight in the newsroom.